your prayer was answered.
No. Not even the keepers could keep us safe on open water. That was too easy. I don't trust it.
It is strangely calm. I feel no auras, nothing.
As you said, they could be watching from afar. The closer we get to that blast of tear, the colder it becomes.
The tear is changing things. It brings chaos.
Then the snow is the least of our worries.
Here they are. Will you please finish what you started, if you can?
Don't you doubt us. They were just lucky. So you better be.
Be what? You do as I say. You know why we're here.
Your obsession with the other one, yes. How will you make them?
Shut up, fools.
You dare insult us!
Sister, it must be them. And I still can't sense their aura.
Hey, you two! Did we interrupt something?
Just kill him.
We'll play with our new toys. See how strong they are.
You'll find out.
Then maybe you can join us. You want to, we know it.
Never! They're useless. Destroy them quickly, then find me.
Quickly. No. We need to see what this new body can do. Every kind of pain it can inflict. Don't die too soon. But do scream.
I feel their auras now. They're too strong.
We need to get away from here.
Sister, I see it now. These creatures. They're becoming bad. What? They must be. They did not die. They transcended.
Try
You are ours! They're not done with you yet!
They're monsters!
And they've completely lost their minds. What matters now is that we left them behind.
They're still near, though. Stalking behind us. It's frightening.
Let's look for a way to leave them behind for good.
Wait! Their aura is gone. All of a sudden.
They must be preparing for an ambush. They burrowed on the ground. Step aside, you'll die. We've no choice. We make our stand here. We use all the power we have, understand?
That's what they want. What if we lose control? What if we transcend?
If that's what it takes, so be it. We'll take them down with us, I swear to the Keepers.
I'm with you, sister. Judge, have mercy.
No mercy for the yellow, only hide. Don't just stand there. Show us what you've got. We offer you one thing, an exciting death. Exciting for us.
I will never leave you. Their aura. They are pushing it too far. We might have a chance.
I think I see what you mean.
I can't feel anything.
You are a fine toy to play with. It's a pity that soon you'll break.
Their aura. They are pushing it too far. We might have a chance.
I think I see what you mean. Now you've pissed me off.
Are you really that weak?
Sister, let our guard down. Just as I thought. It works.
It will be enough.
How dare you! Dare you!
Sister, we can't do this. It's too much. Please, they are too strong.
What? Where'd you come from? Why are you here? What are you doing? Come on,
I dare.
feeling this place again. Briar was overwhelmed, and they ended up here. Whether out of fear or desperation, she's trying to consume my aura again. Sister, let me help you before it's too late.
What happened to them? They're mad, like rabid beasts.
Sister, what's happening? Why are they screaming?
Keep your eyes closed, Lute. I've got you.
I don't understand. Where are Mama and Papa?
Don't worry, Lute. Let's get to safety first.
But what if something happened to them?
I'll find them. I'll bring them. I promise. But you have to stay put.
No! Please, don't leave me alone.
You need to be brave now, Lute. We both do. I won't be long. Stay hidden. Say the Keeper's prayer. Keep saying it until I get back. Maybe they'll hear. Say it. May the torchbearer.
May the torchbearer light my way.
May the judge show me mercy.
We were so powerless, so afraid.
How could we understand what was happening to our world?
We wanted the nightmare to end. There was no going back.
Almost there! Almost there! Mama! Papa! Mama!
Briar! No! Go! Find Lute! Save her! Save! Run!
Papa! No. Papa. No! No! Get away from her! Mama! Mama! You would never hurt her. That was not my father. It can't be. Lute! She's in danger. I have to get back.
She never told me. I see why now. She meant to protect me from what she saw. Mama. Papa. No one deserves such a fate. Poor Briar. She carried it alone all this time. Almost. It's so close. Sister! I was so scared. Where's Mama? And Papa? Where are they?
Lute. It's just us now.
No.
Lute. Lute, please. Please, I know. We have to run. We have to find somewhere safe.
We can't go. We can't be alone. I'm not strong enough, sister.
We'll be strong together. We'll always have each other. I promise. Lute! What is that? Run, Lute! Run! keep my promise. You need to run.
No! You said we're stronger together.
If you stay, I can't protect you. Go!
I'm not leaving you. Not ever.
It burns. I can't stand it. My eye. It's spreading. Please. I don't want to hurt. You must run.
Sister!
One touch, and you're a monster. A scratch, and you're no longer human. Corrupted. A thing. She was trying to tell me she would kill me. But I was so scared of being alone. Now we're never alone. Are we, sister? I'm here, sister. I told you. I won't leave you. No matter what you do or what happens to me. Hear me. Don't give in. You're not a monster.